Hey everyone, I am Anmol and you are watching Let's Speak. So guys, this video is going to be about talk. Do you also think that speaking English is really difficult for all of you guys? So I am here to tell you everything about the English conversation and the English courses. I have seen many of our students are wasting lot of money in the online tuitions. Some are going and hiring personal tutors and some are just sitting for many hours in the classroom to learn this language. But do you know, acquire any language is really easy by what? So this video is going to be about that only. Do you know, when you were a born child and slowly you grew up, do you know how did you learn Hindi speaking? Did someone teach you in your childhood? No, you already grabbed Hindi by listening it. So guys, I would like to tell you also that English speaking and English language can easily be grabbed by listening it. And the method, it is called comprehensive input method. Do you know what is comprehensive listening method? Guys, how many of you know about comprehensive input method? We all know when we start listening, understanding and speaking, slowly the concept develops of everything. As we first heard Hindi, then we understood in our mind, and then after that we started writing and learning so many things in Hindi language. It happens same in English language also. Guys, if you want to really learn English speaking, I am here to give you some tips and strategies to talk about it. How can you start speaking from today itself? And do you know how it can be possible? Yes, friends, it can be possible by listening some English movies, some dialogues, even some small sentences. Yeah, you heard it right. How it can be possible? So you can start watching some small words on YouTube, or you can start speaking some small sentences and start using them in your daily life conversation. But what if there is no one in your house who can talk with you? So there is no need to worry, because nowadays many apps are there, those who help you to practice English speaking with them, or you can do a lot of practice in front of the mirror. So what are you waiting for? Start speaking from today itself, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, which is Let's Speak, जहाँ पर मैं आपको सिखाती हूँ